Today, we're not going to give you no trouble. Going to do everything you say. We're going to keep quiet and behave yourself for today, a Teacher's Day. A long time we no wait for this day come. We keep meeting and we plan. Suppose you see how we win a practice, you would understand. Today, nobody not gonna sting nobody with lasket, pull up nobody ear, and we are gonna talk so sweet and soft. You might not able to hear. All shirt in a pants, every ribbon tie, everybody shoes shine, and for the first time since this year, we are gonna form a line. Teacher, I really have to wonder sometime how you manage all the way, all kind of on right now, enough bad habit, different personality. Sometimes it look like we not learn, but we just want you to know that is not because you cannot teach, but because we slow. We know we're coming like crosses, out of order and road. Mouth ever set past spring for back answer or eat chewing gum and food. You say we're kind to one another and you begs in time we fight. For you tired for tell we say, two wrong, do make a right. You try teach you manners and behavior or not to be so rough and to conduct yourself with courtesy. But teacher, we head tough. When you start breathe hard and bite your lip, get up and start walk wrong, we know say you just a try hinder yourself from this thump we down. If I me kill the whole away with me a long time. No, how you do it? From when I have enough teaching and go look at next walk out the street. So, teacher, although we not have no big money for buying a big present, for the one day we gonna try to make you happy and content. For you know, say sit down and you feel with style, or listen for obey, and we're not even sure we can keep it up for the whole day. And when you go to heaven, I'm going to tell God to give you a special prize for the mad sake of this Madhouse class and definitely nice. So, today, we are going to work hard. Sit down quiet. Do everything you say. If it kill we are going to behave ourselves. Just for Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day!